this is what you do on the candle when you spot the candle. This is what you do when you spot this candle. At this point, when price gets to this point, you sell. Nothing is as simple as that. When price reaches here, you buy, right? Because this is why. Because at this point in this candle, what this candle is really telling us is that the buyers and the sellers were unable to make the direction in the market under that particular time, under a particular time, you understand? Under a particular time, the buyers and the sellers were unable to indicate the sellers, you understand? These upper wicks stand for the buyers, you understand? So when your price gets to this point, you are expected to buy. And your stop loss should be at the lower wicks of this candle. Very simple. Very simple. It has been a profitable strategy for me. I'm not looking for something that will wear me out, Very simple. So, when the price gets to, when the price gets here, when the price gets here, we sell. When the price gets here, we buy. Do not forget, when you sell at this point, your SL will be here. When you buy at this point, your SL will be here. That's very simple. But there's one thing I want to explain to you. This candle might just be a retest. You understand? It might be a retest. What do I call a retest? A retest is just like there is an uptrend in the market, So the candle, the trend just have to shift a little bit to make a lot of boom. Example, let me show you. Example of the retest I'm talking about is here. Now there had been a fall, then it rises a bit, then later on rises a bit, then move. This is what you call a retest. Understand? So it might be a retest. For you to confirm if it is a retest, wait for the first candle. After this doji, wait for the next candle to form. Once the first candle form, you understand? Anywhere the first candle ends, you understand? That is where we will take up trades. That is where we will take our trades. Anywhere the candle forms, that is where we will take our trades. For example, everyone, today I want to teach you a very simple strategy to use while trading the forex market. I'm not like any other forex trader. I'm not against them. I'm just only trying to tell you my own strategy, which I've been using for the past 2 years now, and it has been a profitable strategy for me. And you can't just jump into the trade. You can't just jump into a trade. You can't just jump into a trade by just let's say the new candle formed and goes to this point and you sell. That is more like a gesture, waiting for a confirmation candle. What do I call a confirmation candle? Very simple. It is a candle that actually tells you the direction of the market. After spotting this doji, wait for the next candle to form. Perhaps if the first candle, let's say it moves in a sell direction, when the first candle, let's say it closes around here, don't wait. Sell at this point straight. straight away. Then when you sell at this point, make here your stop loss, right? Then leave the market to play. Leave it to play. Here should be your first take profit. Now, why did I say here should be your first take profit? This is it. Here should be your first take profit. You know why? This is in market and in the forex market, price will always go up and fall. You understand? So the best way for us to predict well is through our previous price action. You understand? So, and when you look at this price, you see the way it's moving, then it start moving up and on like that. You understand? So when you take a look at this downtrend, you see a retest here, first retest. So if you are to sell here, your first taking profit should be here. Say P1. Normally it's meant to be here, but this is more like an impatient trade. You know, when you see a full downtrend here, then later on a full uptrend, you should also expect a full downtrend before the market will then reshape. It might not get to this point, but at least expect a longer downtrend. You understand? So let's say you sold here, then your stop loss here, then you leave the market to play, then it got here. This is your TP1. Then let the market react. You know, after your TP1 is being hit, leave the market to play. Take your stop loss from this point, then move it to this point. Here is why. Let's say there is a reversal in the market, in the forex market. That stop loss will keep you safe. That is what you call risk management. We keep you safe. We may not make you lose so much money. You understand? It won't make you lose so much money. So I call it locking profits. That is it. So you lock your profits. You understand? Then let's say the markets move again after this TP1, it move and got to this point, then bounce back, then move. This side should be your taking profit too. That's very simple. Nothing else you want to learn. Let's go to another chart. Okay, this is also good. I love this. At this point, you need to be watchful. Now, this is a downtrend. Do not forget. Then an uptrend. Right? Here's what you do. Wait for the first candle, because you can't just say this will be a downtrend. This uptrend might get to this point before it will bounce back, or might get to this point, then keep moving up, you know, something like that. But here is what you do. Wait for the first candle to form after this doji. First candle to form after this doji here. Wait for the first candle. Immediately after the first candle, if the price of the first candle ends here, you buy, or it ends here. You buy. You make here your stop loss. You can take your profit here, or you secure your profit around here, then leave the market to play. You know, that's very simple. Very, very simple. Or you wait. After the first candle, let's say the price closes here, you sell. Or it closes here, you still sell. Then your stop loss will be here. Your stop loss will be here. Wait for the candle to react. Wait for the market to play. When it plays, your TP should come around here. That's your TP1. That's your TP1. Your second TP should fall around here. TP2. Then if you want to know the direction at which, that's everything you need to know for now. Stop the bullshit. Look for doji. Play what you need to play. Practice more, and practice. Then you become perfect in it. That's it. Thanks. Oh, sorry.